Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And it's the same process for both your mobile and PC. So if you are on your mobile, what I want you to do is come to the bottom right and click on your profile icon. If you're on your PC, go to the top right and click on your profile icon. And on your PC, you should actually get an option that says restricted mode. You just toggle it on and off. Now, on your phone, what I want you to do is just come to the top right, click on the gear cog for settings, and then right here, I want you to tap under account. You should see general, right? I want you to tap on general, and right here, as you can see, we have restricted mode. And if this one is toggled on like this, to turn it off, all you need to do is just tap on this, okay? And we toggle it off. As you can see now, restricted mode is off. Really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.